On June 26, 2012, the Waldo Canyon Fire started just west of Colorado Springs. Before it was through, 348 homes were burned. 36,000 people were evacuated. Almost 18,000 acres burned during the fire. I'm Steve Poteet with Kenneth Copeland Ministries. We take our partnership at KCM very seriously. We came to Colorado Springs to find our partners and share the hope and love of Jesus. And we will come find you no matter where you're at and help you in your time of need. Remember, no matter what you're going through, that Jesus died on the cross to cover every circumstance that you're in. Just remember, Jesus is Lord.